Last night, Ashley's father said Ashley was born in a snowstorm, and now she's going to be married in one. Casey and Ashley will be blessed because they are making a commitment that takes great courage. And when we lead with courage, God follows us. That's one of the things we celebrate here today, that God is with them in their loving and courageousness.
Oh, windy and snowy and fun. Did you guys go sledding? Igloo. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Have a good day, pal. Talk to you soon. All right. Bye-bye.
We call all of our friends. We combine their names. So there's like Chris Steiner. There's Brindria, and so Cashley is Casey and I. And so now we're finally officially Cashley.
This weather will not hold you back.
Beautiful. I present to you Casey and Alec, husband and wife.